now learn how to set the robot, the TCP. Here is TCP. Let the 4 axis move this point, move this point, moving together. How to set the TCP? Okay, we also you can use this. You can use this. Only one. This can let the worldwide see it. Okay, we now do it. First, we choose the system. And choose the system. Choose the call effects. Here is set as a TCP. Here is set as a TCP. We create here. Then do it. We first choose 0. We only pick 2 points. We set the 0 and 1. We first choose 0. Moving the robot the worldwide contact this point. You know when was okay.可以趴在上面看。好了吗 ？Okay, that's it. We set the robot to the worldwide. The length about 50 meters. About 15 meter. Okay, you see it. Then we do the pick button. Pick it. Then we choose the 1. Choose the one. Then let the C axis moving about 1 to 0 degree, 120 degree. Okay. 先抬一点，120度大约。再移一点。Okay. The degree is everything. About 118 degree also can use it. Then let the welding 1 point to this driver's point. 到了吗？开始。Then we use this button, choose 1 and pick it. Then teacher choose the TX and TY. 然后再推选是吧？对。And choose the obtain this button. Then we select please this value 1 times. 点一下 OK, choose yes and then choose TY, choose yes. 这就保存吧，保存了是吧？这样就可以了是吧？ That's all. Here is finished. We can check it. We use this button check the rotation， 让手人转，然后转 C， 转 C， 然后到这边来一点，到这边来一点。你怎么抬起来了？我移到下面去，手人。We first contact then change it， 然后change的10大一点。Check moving， 转，到100%速度。好 ，Can see the TCP。OK， 好，别转，看你枪。再转，你反转，正转啊。Okay, this welding Y point, moving the same point. This means the TCP is set as good. Okay. 好 ，let us go to.
一切提前起白点。
好，快速。As TCP is set is finished, we next we do this.